What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Azhane, and in today's video I am doing a quick weave for the very first time. This is a quick weave, not a sew-in, not a wig. This is leave out, as you guys can see. So yeah, this is actually my first leave out, so I'm really nervous about it, and I'm happy that I was able to record the video and show you guys how I did it the best way that I could. I'm also using this new straightener that I got. Okay, it works really well. It's super cute. I love the hot pink color. I don't know if it's really called Duvolle or Duvolle, but this is my new flat iron, and I've really been using it mostly for like my leave out styles. I think that this plate is better for natural hair than my other plates. Great for natural hair, and they're really easy to clean. I have to actually clean mine now because, like you guys know, I did do a quick weave install with this, so I did get a little bit of glue on the plates, but it cleans off really easily. The Tourmaline coating on the flat iron helps you lock in the moisture on your hair and seals the cuticles. This is a professional hot tool. It has professional heat settings, so this can go up to 450. You can customize it for whatever hair type that you have, and it has a tangle-free cord that goes up to 8 feet, and it also has a cord wrap, so you can wrap it and put it away easily for better organization. This is a really good iron. It retails for about $95. I know that's kind of on the pricier side because you have to invest in a good styling tool. I'm always doing my hair, so I have to make sure I have a really good styling tool. And as you can see, the leave out is pressed out great. I also will show like little tips on how I can make sure my leave out is flat, but y'all do not be like me because I had to do my leave out like every single day, not because of the iron, but because I do live in a I am in Mississippi right now, and it's been very rainy, so the temperature has been making my hair frizz up a lot. But as you can see, it's not raining today, and my hair still looks great. I did my hair earlier today, and my hair looks wonderful. You guys, I have a 70% discount code, so if you guys use my code Azhane, you can get this iron for only $28.50. That is a really great deal, and I think you guys should definitely go take advantage of it. So everything will be linked down below in my description box, and I have my code Azhane if you guys want to purchase it. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this hairstyle, please keep watching the video for more. Okay, so here is how we are starting. This is my natural hair all blown out. If you have not seen my 1-year update on my natural hair, please go and check that out. But this is how we are starting. For this quick weave, I'm going to do a side part. And y'all, this is my first quick weave, so obviously my techniques are not going to be perfect. There are other ways to do this. This is how I did it. I did go out and I purchased the bonding glue and the bonding glue remover. I didn't do a takeout video, but the next time I do this install, it's going to be a whole different technique. I might record that as well. But here I'm just parting out my leave outs. Y'all, like I said in my natural hair update video, I did cut my edges super low to help them grow back healthier. So that part is a little bit shorter in the front, but that does not affect how my hair turns out in the end, as you guys saw from the beginning of the video. This is in no way a tutorial, but I did want to just talk about what I did. So I don't have the magic glue thing or whatever, like the magic cap or whatever. So I just used 2 wig caps, and I used a freeze spray to kind of use that as a protecting guide for my hair. and I'm just marking it so I can see where to cut it later. And I'm going to use a black cap to go on top of that just to give it a little bit extra protection. Now it did work a little bit, but for some areas it was really hard to take the cap off during the removal process because it did get a little stuck in my hair. But when I washed my hair, I did not get a lot of shedding, and I only wore this style for a week. So I think I did a pretty good job, but next time I do this install, I'm going to use a different technique as far as protecting my hair. So I got these bundles off of AliExpress. I wasn't sure if these were good bundles or not. That's why I'm using it for the quick weave, because after I purchased these bundles, I went back to look at the reviews, and it did say that the ends kind of fried easily. And I found for the longer hair, like the 26-inch I put in the back, they did fry pretty fast, but not compared to the 22-inch I put in the front. The 22-inch I put in the front lasted really well. So I'm thinking it's just like the ends of the hair were like over processed or what, but yeah, this hair was not good hair. So I'm really glad that I used it for the quick weave and not a sew-in, because I would have been mad if I sewed these tracks in my head and it looked like that. So if you have never done a quick weave before, it's very, very simple. That's why all these TikTok girlies are doing it, because it's super easy. Literally, all you're going to do is measure the track to your head, cut it to where it fits, put the glue on the track, and then put it on your hair. Literally that easy, that simple, that fast. That's why it's called a quick weave. But back in the day, a quick weave was like when you put it on your hair. You can still do it like that. Just part your hair, put the track in on top of your hair, then keep doing it like that. But yeah, this is like the quick weave that everyone's doing now. I just wanted to give it a try because I am a hairstylist and I wanted to add it as one of my services, but I didn't have anyone to practice on. So I said, you know what, I'm just gonna do it myself. And if I can do it on myself, I'm sure I can do it on someone else. So all the tracks have been glued in, so right now I'm just taking the hot comb and trying to get the install as flat as possible. I did not do any leave out on my right side, if you guys can tell, but yeah, that's really why I wanted to get it as flat as possible, because there's no leave out on that area. So before I touched my leave out, I went ahead and put a heat protectant on my hair. My edges are very thin. I don't know if you guys could tell from when I was showing you the install part. My edges are extremely thin, so I try to be very careful with that part. And I also turned down the heat to about 250, 300 to prevent damage, because last time I straightened my hair, I did damage my hair. It was my sideburns. I damaged my sideburns. That's the only leave out that I had, because like this one wig. But that's a long story. So I went and used minimum heat, and I used the heat protectant to get my leave out straight. And I'll show you later on, actually in the next clip, on what I used to make sure my leave out was like perfected. This is like a couple days later. Like I said in the beginning of the video, it did rain all this week, so I had to like straighten my hair every day, but there was no damage to it. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of myself. I didn't have any damage to my hair after I washed this out in the week after. But yeah, so I just used the heat protectant to straighten my hair, and then after everything was straight, I took a brush and a hairspray, and I just sprayed the hairspray on the brush, and I brushed my hair to blend my leave out with the tracks. And as you can see, it is seamless, it looks natural, it's everything. It's so cute. And then yeah, I just went ahead and curled my hair. Those clips were from another day, like I said, but yeah, this is cute. So for my edges, I didn't mention this, but I did use the Style Factor, the gray coarse one, to style my edges, and my edges look great. This is the install. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I love it. I think it's super cute, and I will definitely be doing this style more often. I actually like how this looks on me. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys. Peace.